Can you invest in Shyam Metallics IPO? Today is the launch date, and almost 60 more than 60% subscribers have already gone through it and subscribed to this IPO. So next 2 days, can you buy this IPO? So this video is regarding that. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh Sinturu, your stock market profit coach, and I help you in investing in stock market by investing in stock market. And this is my book, One Page Stock Market Plan. Check it out in Amazon description. Amazon link in the description. So this is what today's video. Can you invest in Shyam Metallics IPO, and what are the is it good to invest or not? So this is what you're going to see. So they are into steel and power sector, and they are the integrated player, meaning from ore mining ore to almost like getting into the full product, steel pellets and everything. Okay, and this is what this company is all about. They sell TMT bars, pellets, etc. under the brand called SEL. So SEL brand. So that is what they sell. And almost a couple of days ago, before launching the IPO, they got almost 2,498 crores from anchor investors. Who are the anchor investors? Almost big institutional investors or retail investors who wants to invest a huge amount. They already invested, and this amount is issue this issue is worth around 909 crores, which means it's a huge it's not very huge thing. Just 909 crores, it's going to be a small cap thing. And if you look at out of the investments, almost 457 crores they want to close it for debts, which means they already have debts which is very 0.3%, which is a very good factor I like about this company. And this company has grown like slowly over a period of time, in the sense like staggered manner. They made sure they are positive every year, the revenue is positive every year. Until now the revenue is very very positive. Let me show that results in a quite some time. Okay, so the IPO dates, it's not NFO dates, it's IPO dates. So the IPO dates are from June 14 to 16. I just changed the dates so that you're not getting confused. NFO is for mutual funds, IPO is for stock market. So this IPO is just launched today, and almost, as I said, 62% got subscribed today. So that is one huge positive thing for this fund. And EV EBITDA, the enterprise value to EBITDA, which is earnings before interest, tax, and appreciation. Okay, so this value is around 9.1, and it has consistently grown over a period of time. This is an advantage of this company till now. And the uh, government team, I mean the governing team, the board members as well as the managing director and CEO, they're almost like looks experienced in handling this company. And they made sure they are fully integrated service provider, as well as they made sure the debt is very very low till now, and they had handled the company in a self-sustaining model. And should you and one of the other interesting factors is they are increasing the capacity from right now 5.71 metric ton MTPA. That is how they will share about the steel company, and they are going to increase it to 11.60 metric ton per annum. That is how they want to increase, and that too by 2025. So in the next 4 years they are doubling the capacity, so the revenues can double from this position. And if you look at the demand for steel is huge, and because of the commodity price increase all across the world, just because of China's positive momentum creation for infrastructure growth, and also created by Joe Biden. And recently, the G7 countries, they made sure they are also taking up a huge infrastructure projects in developing countries, and most importantly, India will also get included. So the possibility of infrastructure growth revival is still in place. And if you look at infrastructure, steel will play a major role. And they are these company. They are into ferroalloys. They are into steel sponge pellets, on all these things. And all these are essential things for infrastructure growth. And if you look at there is a huge possibility for this company to grow from this level to the next level in the next 5 years timeline. So if you are someone looking at a company for listing gains as well as for the next few years, maybe steel as a sector has started growing up in the last 1 year, I can say, because from last year almost like October November, the growth story started picking up, the actual stock market growth story I'm saying. And in reality the demand is created globally, and because of exports and all these things, every steel company is growing, and the raw steel price also increase. So this increases the potential revenue also for the companies, and this creates a positive growth momentum for this company too. So may not be only for listing gains, also you can look at investing for maybe till the momentum is there for steel sector globally. You can continue your investments in this company, and you can also see some positive growth, because all the focus was on all the Tata Steel and JSW Steel and the top steel companies, and now one more company is coming, and that too in the small cap. So probably you can look at investing. Let me show you the financials, so which can give you a bigger picture. Okay, let me. Okay, this is the financials. Just look at in the last three years, from 18, 19, and 20, the sales had increased consistently up, and in 20, because maybe of the uh, lockdowns and other things, the sales has dropped. And if you look at 9 months financial year of 2021, and it looks close to 4,000 crores they had already done. Maybe one more quarter, and they can add, and it should be in the positive momentum because of the increase in steel price. They can see a huge positive thing. And just look at the net profit for the current financial year ending 9 months alone. It is positive, and it is 456 crores compared to 350 crores in the last year. And having one more quarter, and this can for sure maybe surpassing 2008 financial year, maybe even surpassing the uh, 2019 financial year profits. And if you look at EPS, and it has consistently, maybe the increase in shares and everything had shown up, and probably from here for the next couple of years EPS should consistently increase the EV per enterprise value per sales, and that is also showing a huge positive momentum. Just look at from 0.5 from 0.5 to 1.7 to 1.9. The current financial year up to 9 months, it has gone up to 2. So it shows the EV per sales and the enterprise value per EBITDA. That is the thing you should look at for manufacturing companies and infrastructure and steel companies, and that is also consistently has gone up. And for sure, even in the next few years, this positive momentum can go along, just because of the positive thing with the steel sector. So maybe my verdict, my it's not a recommendation, as I'm not a registered research analyst or registered investment advisor. uh, for sure you can apply for listing gains, but just check with your financial advisor before investing. This is a, I'm putting a disclaimer, because this is not a stock recommendation or IPO recommendation. Just work along with all these points whatever I told. Check out the Shyam Metallics website, so that you will get a bigger clarity. And you can also look at investing after doing your own analysis. Okay, so this is the logo for Shyam Metallics. You can check out the company, because you may end up seeing some other company. So Shyam Metallics, ore to metal, this is what you can look at before investing in this company. So thank you so much for watching. For more such analysis, please follow my channel, and you will be getting regular updates on stock market, mutual funds, insurance, and everything about money in my channel. Thank you.